Now today let's look at naming of switches, how we can name our switches. Here, say naming of switches. So naming of switches. Remember, one, we have one gang switch, one gang switch, and remember there is the graphical symbol, and this switch appears this way, the normal like this, and it has a rocker that you press on and off. Okay, that type of switch, when you look at the back of the switch, if you turn it, then at the back you will find something like this. You'll find two terminals written C, meaning common, and written L1. Sometimes an additional terminal is introduced just for looping in. For sake of clarity, we have got two terminals written C for common and L1. So remember, we have C meaning common, and we have L1 meaning live out. So one gang. So this rocker, what makes it to be called one gang switch, because of the rocker, one rocker, C common and output. The second one is two gang. Have two gang. And in this case, you see it is one gang switch. So it is one gang, one way switch. And this one, let's go for two gang, one way. So you can have one gang, one way, and maybe two gang, one way switch again, one way switch. In this case, because it is two, the rocker is now two gang, one way switch. Sorry, that, and another one. So he has two gang. So it's the rocker that gives is the name. In this case, we are going to have four terminals because each is independent. So if you turn the switch, if you turn it the other way, you will find L1. Again, you'll find common. That one is this side. Again, on the other side, you'll find common, C, and you'll find L1. So this one is for the first button, this one is for the second button. So it's one gang. It is two gang because this one is one, but now introducing another one, it's become two. So this type of switch is called two gang, one way switch. This one is called one gang, two way switch. And the graphical symbol for one gang, for two gang, one way switch is like this. It's a graphical symbol. So this one means the two gangs. Okay, let's look at three gang, one way switch. Number three gang, one way switch. Graphical symbol for three gang, one way switch is like this. 1, 2, 3. So the buttons on the rocker are now 3. So it will appear this way. You have the first button or the rocker, second one, and the third one. That is 3-gang one-way switch. So if you turn the switch, then it will appear this way. We can divide it into 3. If you turn the switch, you find something like this, where you'll have the common here, okay, and you'll have L1. You might have even common here, common the other side, and have L1. Then you have common C and have L1. So it's 1-gang switch embedded into one plate, but now there are 3. So now it's 3-gang one-way switch, because 1, 2, 3. Each switch is independent, but during your wiring, you can when you supply one of the common, you can loop to this and again loop to this, so that each gang has its own power. Okay, let's look for another one. 1-gang, number 4. 1-gang, 1-gang two-way switch. 1-gang two-way switch. The graphical symbol for 1-gang two-way switch is like this. Okay. The switch will appear this way. On the plate will be like this. It's going to have just one button because it is 1-gang. But now it is two-way. So if you turn it the other way around, the other side, now there will be 3 terminals. You will find C, that is terminal 1 for common. You'll find another one, L1. You'll find another one, L2. Okay. So if you turn it, you'll have 3 terminals, common, L1, L2. But it is 1-gang because it has got one rocker or one button. The 5th one, we can have 1-gang, sorry. Let's have 2-gang, two-way switch. 2-gang, two-way switch. 2-gang, two-way switch. Graphical symbol will be like this. This is the gang now, but now we have 2-gang. Here, it will appear this way, but now with 2 buttons or rocker. So if you turn it the other way around, then let me do some partitioning here kidogo, so that you have, and this one. This is common, L1, L2. Again, you'll have common, L1, L2. So this one is for this button, this one is for this button. That one is 2-gang two-way switch. Okay. The same we can have 6, where we have 3-gang, 3-gang two-way switch. Here, our graphical symbol to indicate the gangs where it is. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3.